Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett, and I have another unbagging to do. And this is another first for me. I finally was able to get something from Paddywaxx. So I'm gonna open this up. I hope everybody's doing great. Hope I don't. Oh, lost train of thought. Alright. Get everything out. I'm so excited about this. Okay. So, let me... Alright, this is just my little thank you note. And let's see, what did I get? I got Twizzlers, which is funny because I just bought and ate a bag of Twizzlers the other day. And let's see. I'm not sure what this is. It's cute though. And let's see. That's a cute little sticker. Is it gonna focus in? There we go. And another little sticker. Cute. Cute. Little ducky. Too cute. Okay. And I've got a sample pack of, the salted caramel. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to smell it real quick. Oh my, that smells so good. But isn't it cute? It's like a little bear or something. Okay, so what I actually ordered was the little tin and the ABs. But this lady is so super nice. She contacted me and said that she had, I guess, messed up on this. I don't know, it was worded wrong or something. I don't really remember. So she wanted to know if I still wanted my order or if I wanted to, just get a refund. I told her, heck no, I still want my order. I didn't care what this looked like. I was just happy that I even got one because the stuff on this site goes super fast. But it is the little vintage Valentine tins, and it says, "Be my Tweety." Isn't that cute? And this is the super sticky Paddywaxx. So I was really happy to get that. But isn't that cute? It's so cute. And I ordered these because I just wanted something else. And these are, they're the AB996. But aren't those pretty? There we go. Super pretty. And then she said she was going to throw something in extra for me because, I told her, like I said, I was cool with the order, but no big deal. So she has thrown this in extra, and it is strawberry milkshake. I've got to smell it. Oh my gosh. Y'all, it smells like a Jolly Rancher. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So, anyway, that is what I got from Paddywaxx. And, like I said, she was just super sweet. And, she did good with what she sent me. So, anyway, this is just a real short video. Okay, I guess I am going to pour some of these out and look at them real quick. And again, I will link this shop in my description. Okay. let's see. Hope you can see those in the light. Let me see. Maybe. Yes. No. Don't know. Yeah, there they are. You can see them. Those are really pretty. But, like I said, this was a first time for me again. I got my sparklers and now the Paddywaxx. So, I'm pretty happy right now. So, I've got a few canvases coming, and I'll be able to do some videos for the unboxings of those. And I am in like 4 different collabs that's going on right now. So I've been busy. So anyway, I just wanted to jump on here real quick and show my Paddywaxx order, and I am just so happy. Like I said, when you sit there and you watch the videos of everybody and they're opening all their little goodies and stuff, you just, you may not need it, but you want it. Just so you can be like everybody else, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm happy. So anyway, if any of you have any comments or questions or anything, just leave it in the description or in the comment section. And until my next video, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.